Travel English. Hotel conversations. Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name, your name. Use this polite phrase to start the check-in process. Could I please see the details of my reservation? Helps confirm your room type, dates and services. Is breakfast included in my stay? Important question to clarify meal services. What time is checkout tomorrow? Ensures you know the hotel's policy. Asking for services or information. Could you please call a taxi for me? Useful if you need transportation. Where is the nearest restaurant or cafe? Good for exploring the area. Is there Wi-Fi available in the room? Common question for business or leisure travelers. Could you recommend some tourist attractions nearby? Shows interest in sightseeing. In the room/during stay. Hello, could I please have extra towels sent to my room? Formal way to request amenities. The air conditioning is not working properly. Could you send someone to fix it? Clear and professional way to report a problem. What is the password for the Wi-Fi, please? Direct and polite. Check out. Good morning, I would like to check out, please. Standard and polite phrase to end your stay. Could I leave my luggage here until my flight? Many hotels offer a luggage storage service. May I have a receipt for my stay, please? Useful for business or personal records. Emergency or important situations. I need medical assistance. Could you please help me? Important in case of health emergencies. Could you please contact the police? I lost my passport. Critical phrase for urgent situations abroad.